So I am about to head on down to my doctor appointment this morning. Pharaoh is with my mom, and then when I come back from my doctor's appointment, we're gonna do a few errands today. What errands we have to do, I forgot. My mind is just racing a million right now. We are going to go take care of some more errands for Pharaoh's birthday party and then check out Target. I want to check out a few stores such as Sephora and Ulta. And also I want to check out Pottery Barn because I do have an upcoming video for you guys of like a boho chic bedroom interior decorating video for you guys. So yeah, so I had got a question about my lips, and someone asked me, they were like, have you got your lips done before? And I'm like, no. Someone thought that I got my lips done. These are my natural lips, as you guys can see. These are my natural lips. I don't have no fillers, no, I don't get my lips plump, I don't do none of that. These are my natural lips that God blessed me with and everything like that. So my lips are naturally big, and you know, I take that as, you know, that person, I don't know if that was a shade or it was just a very curious question, but I'm pretty sure you guys can tell the difference between those that get fillers and surgery on their lips and those that have natural lips. So yeah, so shout out to you, to that subscriber. But anyway, yeah, let me go ahead and down to this doctor appointment, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. And as you can see back there, I have some balloons for Valentine's Day to give to Pharaoh. I'm about to pull up to the driveway now, and I can't wait to see his reaction when he sees the balloons on Valentine's Day, you guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Look who I have with me. It's Valentine's Day, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. It is baby Pharaoh's first Valentine's Day. Can you say hi? Say hey. Hi. So yeah, so we're about to go out to a few stores and take care of some errands. We are going to be finishing up baby Pharaoh's first birthday party plans and everything like that. But before I continue on, make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel. Thank you to our new subscribers and everything like that. Pharaoh and I truly appreciate all of the support and love that you guys show here on our channel. But yeah, we are excited. You say hi. Say hi. So yeah, so I think we're gonna have lunch today at Chick-fil-A. So we're gonna treat little man to some Chick-fil-A. His first time at Chick-fil-A, huh? So for Valentine's Day, baby Pharaoh had received a Daniel Tiger Valentine's Day book. You guys know that he loved him some Daniel Tiger and also some balloons. And my mom got him a Mother Goose book for his first Valentine's Day. So yeah, so we are excited. Can you tell everyone bye? Hey, say bye. Alright guys, so we will check you guys out in the vlog, you guys.